Produced by Mary Ward Center.
Did you know that the Government of Canada approved a national plan to combat human trafficking from 2019 to 2024? The Canadian government recognized that human trafficking is a crime that affects everyone, including Canada, and that human trafficking manifests itself in various forms. Still, it is proven that human trafficking for sexual purposes and sexual labor exploitation are the most frequent. Canada is one of the countries that has ratified the United Nations Protocol to prevent, suppress, and punish trafficking in persons, especially women and children, directing efforts to prevent human trafficking, protect victims of human trafficking, and bring offenders to justice. However, the plan is valid from 2019 to 2024. So what will happen after? We don't know. So, from Mary Ward Center, we wrote to the Minister of Public Safety asking to continue and strengthen the plan, making some recommendations in this regard. 1. Key actors and responsibilities. Designate specific authorities and responsibilities for each sector involved in combating human trafficking, ensuring clear roles and effective implementation. 2. Concrete actions for trafficking cases. Develop actionable steps that address both sexual and labor trafficking, focusing on the early identification and addressing the specific needs of victims. 3. Execution timeline and monitoring. Establish a clear timeline for implementing the strategy, including regular monitoring periods and a final evaluation. 4. Integrated information system. Create an interconnected data system for all government levels and civil society to collect, process, analyze, and share information on human trafficking. 5. Regular public reports. Publish periodic reports on the status of human trafficking in Canada to keep the public informed. 6. Ongoing training for law enforcement on human rights protection. Implement a permanent training program on human rights and anti-trafficking protocols for law enforcement, ensuring victims' rights are upheld with the support of the academic sector. 7. Research on human trafficking. Conduct research on human trafficking methods, prevalent areas, victim profiles, and criminal operations to understand better and combat the issue. 8. International collaboration. Establish mechanisms for dialogue and information exchange to enhance international cooperation as per Canada's signed protocols. Canada must reinforce measures to combat human trafficking. Let's get informed, advocate for this cause, and ensure our government continues to implement measures that protects victims. End human trafficking, a commitment for all.
Produced by Mary Ward Center.